These animals shouldn't exist, but they do. 10. The immortal jellyfish. The Turritopsis dohrnii is a species of tiny jellyfish that can revert back to its youthful state after reaching sexual maturity. Basically, this means that it can reverse its aging process and cheat death. What makes this possible is the unfired cells in the dome-shaped part of the jellyfish. These cells enable the animal to turn back the clock when faced with danger or stress. They can transform into polyps, which are basically small clones of the original jellyfish. This ability has led some people to call the Turritopsis dohrnii immortal, but really it's just biologically immortal. Scientists are still unsure why this particular type of jellyfish can do this, and although they haven't been able to replicate it in the lab yet, they hope to learn more about what keeps this species seemingly ageless. And if they're successful, we may learn something about how humans age as well. Who knows? We might be able to use this knowledge to help us live longer ourselves. Number 9. The axolotl. The axolotl is a type of amphibian that lives in lakes near Mexico City. It's also known as the walking fish because it spends its whole life in water and doesn't need to breathe air like most animals do. Instead, it gets oxygen through its skin. One of the reasons axolotls are so interesting is that they never seem to grow up. While other salamanders eventually become their adult form, axolotls stay as cute little baby salamanders forever. This is called neoteny. Axolotls are also famous for their ability to regrow body parts. If they lose a limb or part of their heart or even sections of their brain, they can just grow new ones. That's pretty amazing. Number 8. The goblin shark. The goblin shark is a type of shark that lives deep under the ocean where there is not much light. Because of this, it has very poor eyesight, but it uses its other senses to find food. The goblin shark is especially good at smelling things, and it can sense changes in the movement of the water around it. This helps it find prey like fish and squid. But perhaps the most amazing thing about the goblin shark is its huge mouth. It can open its mouth really wide and stick its jaws forward like a slingshot. This helps it catch prey quickly. The goblin shark is definitely one of the weirdest animals that live in the ocean. Number 7. The pistol shrimp. There's a small species of shrimp that has the most powerful punch in the world. The pistol shrimp is named for the snapping sound it makes with its claws. But it's not just loud, it's deadly. These small creatures live in burrows they dig in the sand. They wait for prey to pass by, then shoot out their claws. The claws make a popping sound and create a bubble of hot plasma. The bubble gets so hot that it's several times hotter than the surface of the sun. The bubble expands rapidly and creates a shockwave that can stun or kill its prey. Now that's one tiny shrimp with big power. Number 6. The glass frog. Glass frogs are small frogs that live in the Western Hemisphere. They get their name from their see-through undersides. Their skin is transparent, which allows you to look at their organs. If you flip a glass frog over, you can see its heart, liver, and intestines. It's like looking at an X-ray. But the coolest thing about these frogs is that they're great at hiding. Their see-through undersides help them camouflage. They can blend in with their surroundings and become almost invisible. Number 5. The vampire bat. There are many different types of bats that live around the world. Some bats eat fruit, while others prefer insects. But the vampire bat has a unique taste in food. As its name suggests, this bat feeds on the blood of mammals. It mostly targets livestock such as cows, pigs, and horses. The vampire bat uses its sharp teeth to cut open the skin of its victims. Then it laps up their blood. But the bat doesn't always get its meal for free. Sometimes it has to work hard to get it. Other times it has to share its meal with other bats. Despite this, the vampire bat is still able to survive on its diet of blood. In fact, it needs blood to survive. Its body isn't able to digest other types of food. Now that's a strange diet. Number 4. The mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp is a small crustacean that lives in the ocean. It's known for its beautiful colors, but it's also known for its amazing ability to punch. In fact, the mantis shrimp has the fastest punch in the animal kingdom. It can punch up to 50 times per second. Its punch is so powerful that it can crack aquarium glass. The mantis shrimp also has excellent eyesight. It can see colors that humans can't even imagine. So not only does it have a killer punch, but it can also see things that humans can't see. Number 3. The leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is a type of fish that lives in the ocean. It's closely related to the seahorse, but it looks nothing like it. The leafy sea dragon is named for its leafy appendages. These appendages look like seaweed, which helps the dragon camouflage itself. It can hide from predators by blending in with the sea plants. The leafy sea dragon is a master of disguise. It's one of the best camouflaged animals in the ocean. Number 2. The bombardier beetle. The bombardier beetle is a type of beetle that's found in both the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. It gets its name from its ability to spray a liquid that's similar to a flamethrower. The beetle does this by mixing two chemicals together in its abdomen. The chemicals react to create a gas. The gas builds up pressure in the beetle's abdomen until it's forced out. The liquid sprays out of the beetle's abdomen at high speed. It can travel up to 10 feet. The liquid is so hot that it can boil the insides of its victim. The bombardier beetle uses this ability to defend itself against predators. It's an amazing adaptation that helps the beetle survive. Number 1. The platypus. The platypus is a type of mammal that's found in Australia. It's one of the most unique animals in the world. The platypus has a bill, but it's not like a bird's bill. It's more like a duck's bill. It also has a tail that's similar to a beaver's tail. But perhaps the most amazing thing about the platypus is that it lays eggs. Most mammals give birth to live babies, but the platypus lays eggs. The platypus is also able to sweat milk. This allows it to keep its young ones fed while they're still too small to eat solid food. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their ankles. They use these to defend themselves against predators. The platypus is truly a remarkable animal. It's been called a mammal, a reptile, and a bird all at once. It's definitely one of the most bizarre animals in the world. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time.